Right, what's happening? My name's Jamie from VanKit and we're continuing the series on how to design your perfect van using our software. We've got the configurator open and we're on a medium wheelbase crafter. I've pre-done a bit of the layout because in this one we're going to go over how to design a dresser or a cabinet and a bench. Right. So you can see we've got our garage units open here, and this is like a really common place where you'll have like a dresser or a cabinet or a bench or something like that, right? So we're going to go over to build. The furniture tab is open on the left. And we're going to hit cabinet. We're going to attach that straight to the garage unit here. Now, you can see here on the right hand side some options are now available to you. You've got width, depth, height, ply thickness. Increase the width, everything changes. Increase the depth, everything changes. And obviously the height and ply thickness too. You've got 3 different zones. You can choose what you want in the zone itself. So I've just changed that one from a door to a drawer, and you can just get rid of the zones if you want, right? So you can go have 1 zone, you can just have it open, you can have 3 drawers in it, you can have 4 drawers. The options are infinitely available to you. I'm going to leave it like that because I really like it, and I'm just going to show you another really cool feature. So let's say you click on the dresser and now you want it to be 1,000 mil high, right? I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go 1,000 mil. Everything increases with it. You don't need to worry about resizing anything once you've made a change. You can increase the ply thickness and everything changes with it. That's the basics on how to sort of reshape the dresser itself. Another really good feature is the toe kick feature. If you turn this off, this is really good if you've got the unit on a really flat surface and you don't need to worry about the wheel arch or something like that. Here, we do need to worry about the wheel arch. So obviously if you were to cut that, you would end up cutting through the drawer runner and the drawer, and it just wouldn't be able to work. So if we enable the toe kick, we can increase the height of the toe kick such that you'll be able to scribe around that once you've got it in the van, and your drawers will clear the wheel arch. You've also got a little setback function on there as well. That's kind of like personal preference, I guess. You've also got a little option for a worktop. Turn the worktop on or off. And if you head over to the left, you go design. You can change the colors and the finishes of the worktop individually and the unit itself. We kind of went over that in a previous video. Right, so I'm pretty happy with that. We've got our dresser, got our cabinet in there, and we want to make a bench, a little bit of a seating area. So we're going to go down here and we're going to go to bench, drag it in. A little bit too big, not an issue, we just drag it. And we're going to make that about 1,040. That sounds about right. Okay, when you click on the bench, the front and the top becomes clear so that you can actually see what's inside it. And then, same as before, you've got width, depth, height, ply adjustments, right? So you can just change it to whatever you want. I'm going to add some dividers to it. So I'm going to split this into 3 sections, and I'm going to have 2 lid sections on there as well. Okay. Actually, I'm going to have 3 lid sections on there as well, so you've got one each. So that splits it up equally. You've also got options for like a porta potty as well, so you just toggle that. This little blue box gives you an indication of what the size of it is. So obviously in this instance, you're going to have to drop your divider down a little bit to make it fit. And you can move the porta potty around if you need to. I'm not going to do it in this one. I'm just going to have 3 and 3. And we're going to enable a cushion. Come off that. Sweet. So let's say, for instance, you're pretty happy with this, you want to export it. You just head over to the top right and you go export and build files. Export your cut list. It will give you a PDF which you can build your dresser and your bench with. How cool is that? Look at that. Every single piece you need, drawer box, 12mm ply, carcass, toe kick, all labeled perfect. And it's the same with the DXF as well. That was a bit of a short video. We're going to go through some of the other furniture elements in the future. Hopefully that was helpful. Just some quick tips on how to design your dresser and your bench in VanKit. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.